I'm Virginia Sneed, and for over a decade, I've had pain in my lower back, my buttocks, the left hip, knees that radiated down to my feet. I have had physical therapy for the knee pain. I have medicated with a medicine over the counter. I've had IM injections, prednisone packets, spinal injections with increasing pain and decreasing mobility to the time it took me 3 times to do anything that I would normally do. I had my first MRI showed that there was a bone pressure on my sciatic nerve. Eventually, I succumbed to surgery. Had back surgery in 2018. Lost spinal fluid. Had a horrific headache. Have some ill effects from the surgery now. After about 11 months, the pain returned, worse than ever. This time it got to the point where I could not stand up straight. I was leaning considerably and using a cane. I had seen advertisement about spinal decompression. I went to a neurosurgeon that my primary care doctor suggested, had another MRI. The doctor told me that my spine was out of alignment and I had a bulging disc, but he could correct it with metal screws and he would remove the part of the bulging disc. I told him I would get back to him. In the meantime, I did my research on spinal decompression. Prayed and asked the Lord to help me find somebody. I listed 3 places. My daughter and I left home one morning. I was on a mission. I had decided that I was going to have a spinal decompression therapy. It was just who was going to do it. My first stop was here in Gallatin. I met Dr. Groff when he came into the room. He had such a presence, and the anxiety that I had was alleviated within 5 minutes. My spirit, I knew that this was the place for me. And just sitting and waiting for him to come and listen to the staff interact with other patients, I felt a sereneness, a calmness, that I knew this was the place for me. Long story short, they gave me a free demonstration on the spinal table for 10 minutes. And I can honestly say, when I got off that table, the pain that I had in my left leg was decreased considerably. And I knew then again that this was a place for me. And I've been coming here since the end of February. The staff and Dr. Groff, they are awesome. I think I am maybe to an 85% functioning. Things that took me 3 times to do, I'm almost back to my norm. I can interact with my grandkids. I'm having fun again. I'm moving, I'm doing yard work. I'm back dancing a little bit. It has been a tremendous, wonderful journey so far. And I'm so glad that the Lord led me here and that I'm receiving treatment that is helping my pain. Lord have mercy. Thank you, Jesus. That's enough. Take it off.